Hi guys, in this video I want to talk to you about a fascinating little mystery, and it's called the Roman Dodecahedron. Now when it comes to, ancient Rome, it's, we all have these images, we are all kind of familiar with, like the Colosseum, it's kind of, we know it, okay? However, there is this fascinating little mystery about ancient Rome, and there is really no solution to it. It's very tantalizing and very confusing stuff, okay? And I myself do not know, what the hell this thing could be. So just let me show it to you. The Roman dodecahedron. Okay, so essentially these little shapes were found all over the northwestern Roman Empire. So, what is the northwestern Roman Empire? It is essentially this area, like the top left corner, close to, what is now the Netherlands. Kind of France, Switzerland, Romania, no, not Romania, Belgium. So, northwestern Roman Empire. So, these were found in the northwestern, Roman Empire, and they are just these little cube-like things, but they have more faces than a cube. And it's essentially this shape, which has these pokey things, and which has circles. Some of the faces, do not have an opening, and some do. And no one really knows what the heck these things were used for. So essentially, three theories I have come I have encountered. One is that this was used to knit. Like somehow you pass thread this way and that, and you somehow knit, make fabrics, make whatever stuff you want. However, I do not really find this convincing. Okay, I do not find it convincing because these holes are different sizes. Okay, they're not all the same size, they're different in size. So if you needed to pass thread or something, they would all be the same. Okay, and I think the shape is too complex to just be a knitting thing. And also they're not find all over the place, and that is a curious moment. So like I said, it's the northwestern Roman Empire. So this in itself discredits the second theory, which says, they were kind of used as some sort of a weapon, like you somehow attach it to a spear or something, but that cannot be explained by the geography, because they were not found in the most militarily active region of the Roman Empire. So, if these were found, like close to Persia or like in those more military active places, perhaps that would make sense. But, this explanation just does not cut it either. And the third one is that, this was a scientific kind of land surveying tool. Like you somehow look through one hole, look through the other, and you somehow measure sizes. But and this does make sense, but it does not really explain the pokey things. I mean, if you just look through the hole, why bother making these other things stick out? So fascinating little mystery really gives you something to think about.